चंगे है। लाला जी का बेटा बड़ा हट्टा खट्टा है। लाला जी का बेटा बड़ा हट्टा खट्टा है। लाला जी का बेटा बड़ा हट्टा खट्टा है। हम भी चंगे हैं। Peter, Peter Rabbit. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. Flicked and it flew away.
I hear thunder,
I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dong bell. Ding dong bell. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dong bell. Ding dong bell. Bits of paper. Bits of paper. Lying on the floor. Lying on the floor. Make the place untidy. Make the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Bits of paper. Bits of paper. Lying on the floor. Lying on the floor. Make the place untidy. Make the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. He flicked it and it flew away. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. Peter, Peter, Peter Rabbit. He flicked it and it flew away. We are honoring our chief guest, Sir Jerry Arathun, with a shawl and a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. But we won't let you go, sir, unless you address us with a few words, please. On the podium, on the podium.
Mr. Mirza Samul Hussain, Principal, members of the Managing Committee, honored guests, parents, and my dear boys and girls. It's indeed a great honor to be present here this afternoon at your annual cultural and prize distribution function ceremony of M&M Memorial High School. I bring to you greetings from the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, New Delhi, and its fraternity of over 2,000 affiliated schools in India and abroad. We at the Council are very proud of having M&M Memorial High School as one of our affiliated schools, which has recently been given this honor of being affiliated to the Council. This school is a temple of learning that provides holistic and quality education to its students. It's the benchmark of a council school. I am told that there are no English medium schools in the vicinity of this area, and hence Mr. Mirza Samul Hussain has established an English medium school which is affiliated to our council. And I'm happy that the management had chosen to go for ICSE, which is a national board. We have 3 national boards, CBSE, ICSE, and NIS. Let me tell you about ICSE. If the management has chosen for ICSE, well, you have chosen the right board if you are looking for proper English medium guidance. English is our strength. English is the link language right across the world. And for your information, I would lead you into a little secret. You have your parliamentarian here, Dr. Manish Bhuiyan. His son was my student, and he has been under the ICSE banner. He studied in St. Thomas's Boys' School, Khidapur in Calcutta. And today, Dr. Manish Bhuiyan's son is in the States. So, if you have chosen this particular board, the curriculum that has been set for all our schools is set in a manner which caters for competitive examinations. Today, whether you go for CBSE, ICSE or state board, in class 11 and 12, which is the class which moves up to colleges and universities, we have a common syllabus, common curriculum. So this common curriculum is prepared in such a manner that your students, your children, can be guided in a manner where they could take up competitive examinations with no difficulty. The infrastructure and facilities of the school, students, you must avail of every opportunity this school provides for you with all its infrastructure and facilities. Apart from academics, focus needs to be on building values and principles in our students, who are the future citizens of our country. When we examine the lives of famous people, we often see how their personal values have guided them in their time of trial and propelled them to the top of their facets. Personalities such as Abraham Lincoln, our own Mahatma Gandhi come to mind. We as educators need to guide, mold, and strengthen our students. Value system which is missing in this fast-paced life of us. We must prepare our children so that the future of our country is in safe hands. We in the council firmly believe that every child has a right to quality education. So it is our first and foremost duty to see that we provide holistic and quality education to as many boys and girls as we can and lift education standards nationally and internationally. Our schools are centers of excellence with high educational standards, imparting moral values and life skills. We are today a global community driven by information and communication technologies that are ushering in the spirit of mutuality and interdependence. It is therefore necessary to shape the minds of young people with skills and capabilities that enable them to manage knowledge rather than acquire it. Let me tell you, behind the success of every student is the teacher, an important pillar on which the school rests. Apart from classroom teaching, it is your commitment in nurturing values and innovative ways that inspire and guide students. You are behind the success of every school event. Your devotion, dedication, and hard work make all the difference to this institution. Yours is the noblest of all the professions as you create the leaders of the future in all facets of society. Parents, you are a very special resource to this school. Your cooperation, support, and good wishes are very important in day-to-day functioning of the school and the success of the school's innovative activities. I am sure all of us present here this afternoon are looking forward to the cultural program and the prize distribution. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the prize winners on your accomplishments. I also am happy to know that the management of the school has decided to upgrade the school to ISC, that is class 11 and 12. We at the council will give you the ISC class 11 and 12 only after the first batch of ICSE passes out. I won't take much of your time because I know there are a number of speakers and followed by the cultural program and prize distribution. And I'm really grateful that today I'm happy to be here in West Bengal, in Kolkata, and in your area. It is like homecoming for me. I have been here as a teacher in Calcutta and moved on to the council as a chief executive in Delhi. I miss Kolkata and West Bengal. It is a place where my heart is there with all of you. And I really feel at home because people in Bengal are very warm-hearted. In conclusion, I would like to extend my sincere felicitation to the founder of this school, Mr. Mirza Samuel Hussain, staff and students, principal. I wish this institution greater glory and progress in the years to come, and I pray to the Almighty God that this institution be a lighthouse of service, love, communal harmony, and peace to its neighborhood and West Bengal. Thank you all for inviting me over here. May God bless you all.
Thank you so much for your inspiring words. Now I would like to request Abang to please come up on stage to receive the honor.
We are honoring our respected and honorable chief guest, Mr. Manush Ranjan Bhuya, with Uttariya shawl and badge and a memento and a flower bouquet. Thank you. Our principal ma'am is going to honor our chief guest